A Chinese automaker, Zeekr, has brought to life a surprising car that will replace the Rolls-Royce Cullinan in China and compete with other high-end luxury cars around the world, unless we have to witness it ourselves to see if it truly stands up to the title it is vying for. Here comes the all-new Zeekr 9X crossover SUV made by Zeekr, a brand solely focused on electric vehicles, and has switched for this particular 9X to a direct plug-in hybrid SUV to satisfy the needs of those that need both gas-powered cars and those who crave battery electric cars. The Zeekr 9X is revealed as a 3-row SUV with 2 captain chairs with zero-gravity mode and leg rests that are controlled electronically by the push of a button or voice control. Of course, the futuristic design is the reason why we can testify that people from China refer to the Zeekr 9X as a Chinese Rolls-Royce, popularly called the Chinese Cullinan. The name sounds weird, but it does fit its purpose. You should have heard about the Yangwang U8 made by BYD. That is another SUV the Zeekr 9X will be competing with, and the BYD Yangwang U8 is also competing with the Land Rover Defender, all going in cycles. The Zeekr 9X body is made of high-strength steel and aluminum. The Zeekr 9X has a maximum ground clearance of 288 millimeters. The 9X has a dual-chamber air suspension with a dual-valve CDC system. This system permits the driver to adjust the car's ground clearance by 110 millimeters. The horizontal headlights and waterfall front grille are the main killer design effects that make the car stand out among other luxury vehicles. From the side view is a clean chrome design bordered around the window, just like a C shape that curves all the way through the back to the front, matching well in appearance with the wheel covers. More official details like the wheel size have not yet been revealed, but from what we are seeing here, it is 21 or 22-inch wheels. At the back of the Zeekr 9X is where we could easily tell that Zeekr's designers, John Rodbrink and Stefan Sielaff, did a great job with wrapping the taillight around to form a tube-like design. The design didn't exhaust all of their talent on the outside, but displayed more of it on the inside of the Zeekr 9X. By late August of the year 2025, the Zeekr 9X presale will begin, and more details, including the interior, which we will finally come to see, will be revealed to us. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss the in-depth details of the Zeekr 9X. When the SUV is put to the test with 3 other high-performance vehicles, the Lamborghini Urus S, Ferrari Purosangue, and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT, the Zeekr 9X beat all of these cars to drive from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.1 seconds, achieving a top speed of 240 km per hour. The Zeekr 9X is equipped with 3 powerful electric motors that produce 1,381 horsepower. That's more power than what most performance SUVs could attain. What about the driving range or mileage of the Zeekr 9X? It is over 1,000 kilometers to plus 1,300 kilometers of driving range from both the 1.5-liter petrol engine and the battery pack. The battery pack in the Zeekr 9X is bigger than any the automotive industry has witnessed. A 70 kilowatt-hour battery pack that provides up to 380 kilometers of EV-only range under CLTC conditions. It also supports 6 times fast charging due to the 900-volt system. The battery can be fast charged from 20% to 80% in 9 minutes. That's just 4 minutes away from filling a full gas tank. This is a real technological upgrade. The Zeekr 9X comes with several driving modes, including snow, rocks, mud, deep snow, and sand. Moving back to the interior, the 9X SUV will secure luxurious front row seats as well, double wireless phone charging pads, and a large floating screen equipped with physical buttons to ease usage. According to reports online, the Zeekr 9X will be sold with a starting price tag of $69,640 to $139,000 for the fully loaded model. Those that are specifically made for businessmen and women, CEOs, celebrities, and other high-profile individuals.